parenting has a lot, in fact, I can say. And what's been taken by us until now is the unconscious patterns, which, in the way we have been parented. So, well, those are not working now, right? We're hitting a wall, okay, as parents. And sometimes we're hitting a wall, ek bar, do bar, teen bar, and but we're confused and we don't know what to do.
Welcome to the podcast. Dr. Preeti Vartak with us in the studio. And Dr. Preeti Vartak is a dentist and she's also a trained parenting coach. Oh my God. Like, parenting is such a huge challenge in today's times. And I'm really looking forward for this conversation. So, welcome to the podcast today. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. Very happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
Is this the first time you're doing a podcast?
Absolutely, first time.
All right. I just heard that you were talking to parents at Boisar,
Yeah.
and these were parents of a school.
Yeah.
And, what are the things you spoke about? That would be very interesting for us to get a quick view. And Hindi, Marathi, any language is good for you.
Yeah, so basically, when you want to really make a segue into this entire parenting, conscious parenting, portal, I thought, let me just take something which is lighter, which could connect with the parents, not go on to the complex terms. So today we spoke about co-regulation. We spoke a lot about brain development because knowledge is power. Once they understand that it's the underdeveloped brain and it's not the child who's really causing the problem, well, that's powerful. Then they can reroute the ways they handle challenging behavior. So that's what I spoke about.
Oh, that is so nice. लेकिन parenting क्यों सीखना है या क्यों सिखाना है किसी को? I mean, parenting, isn't it natural? Like,
Absolutely. I mean, when I had taken my first course, यही था कि parenting कितना natural है. It's like, labor is biological. वैसे नहीं है ये. Parenting is not that way. Labor is biological, right? You go through the pains and then you deliver. But parenting has, when help is available. So we really need to have these talks. We need to have difficult conversations because all we discuss is achievements of our kids.
That's
right?
amazing.
Yeah.
क्या आपके बच्चे हैं and
Yes,
आपके
yes,
आपके
yes.
experiences क्या है आपके बच्चों के साथ?
Oh, wow, I can just go on. Well, I have an 18-year-old daughter, and she's a very strong-willed daughter, and that's the reason why I'm here, right? Otherwise, I wouldn't be sitting here if it was so easy parenting. So, yes, she's actually shown me the mirror, and we had difficult times. I've hit a wall, and that's when I have taken help. So as I took help, things started improving, and my connection with my daughter, her connection with me has improved. And I want to take it forward to other parents because you're hitting the wall and you're not finding solutions. And there is a solution. You just need to look up for it. You need to have the courage to not associate it with your lack in parenting or you're not a good parent. It's
ऐसे क्या हुआ था जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि आपको हेल्प चाहिए? और मैं
okay.
ये क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि काफी पेरेंट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं
No, I don't mind. I don't mind speaking about
जो
Yeah.
सेम सिमिलर सिचुएशन में
Yes,
है.
yes,
Maybe they don't
yes.
realize कि okay, this is the time I need to take
Right,
help, right?
right.
Because हमारे देश में या हमारे कल्चर में किसी
Right.
से हेल्प लेना ऑलरेडी
Yeah,
को नीचे
yeah,
देखते लोग.
yeah, absolutely.
आप हेल्प ले रहे हैं मतलब आप वीक हो क्या? And that's crazy. I mean, I'm always asking for help.
Yes, yes.
लेकिन फिर आपको कैसे पता चला?
Right. So, you don't really hit a wall until, say, 10 years, 12 years, when your kid hits puberty. And that's when, the kid is making sense of the world, sense of self starts developing. And then you get the back answers. And one fine day, you find this raging, image of yourself. And that's what I found one day when I was raging. And I just stepped back and I said, this is not me. And well, it was me. वो मैं थी जो चिल्ला रही थी. I was raging then. That's when I said, I need to look deep into this. That's not the way you handle a situation. and everything fell in place because I accepted this is not the way. See, everything begins with acceptance. You just keep hitting a wall and you're like, I'm confused, and you just go on. Kids turn 16, 18, and then they just fly the nest and they'll find out for themselves. They'll figure it out for themselves. No, I said that's my responsibility. So basically, I took ownership. It's easy to blame. Bacha ye kar raha hai. It's hard to take ownership. That's what I did.
आई थिंक जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है अभी कि एक ऐसा पॉइंट था जहाँ पे आपने ब्लेम करना छोड़ दिया और क्लेम करना चालू किया. यू वेंट फ्रॉम ब्लेम टू क्लेम.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
वो शायद लोग नहीं करते क्योंकि
Exactly,
लोगों को
exactly.
लगता है कि हमेशा दूसरा ही गलत है.
Exactly.
आप रास्ते पे अगर आप चलोगे और आप देखोगे कि जब दो गाड़ी आपस में टकराते हैं
Right,
कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेता,
right.
क्योंकि हमारे कल्चर में ऐसा है कि अगर मैं सॉरी बोला तो मैं गलत हूँ,
Yeah,
अगर मैं सॉरी बोला तो सामने वाला मेरे पे और भड़क जाए.
exactly.
और हमारे बच्चे ये सब देखते हैं.
Yeah.
सो ऐसे क्या what did you have to do, what energy did you have to get, या what advice did you get
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
you to start saying कि नहीं शायद मुझे बदलना है, because
Right.
suddenly आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चे को नहीं बदलना है,
Exactly. Exactly.
मुझे बदलना है.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a very big thing.
Epiphany, right?
I would love to
Yeah.
hear that.
Yeah. Yeah. Because you know what? There's no power in blaming. Yeah, you're giving the power to the other person when you're blaming. इसने मुझे किया, इसने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया. And when you own it up that I'm co-creating a moment, I'm a co-creator in the moment. Okay, the power lies with you. Now I can tweak the moment. I can go back, check in how I was in that moment or how I can be in that moment. It's so powerful. It's life changing. When you own up, things change for you. Okay, this is just between the child and a mother, probably. But just start owning up in life, and things will shift for you. You're co-creating, and that's the reality. We are co-creating, right? There is a narcissist and an empath. Empath नहीं होता तो narcissist कहाँ से होता? We're always co-creating.
एंड आपके हिसाब से आपका एक फैमिली में फादर और मदर का रोल कैसे इंटरप्ले होता है? जब सडनली अगर मदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चालू करता है,
Right,
सेइंग मुझे चेंज करना है कुछ,
right,
जिस तरीके से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जिस तरीके से मैं
right.
इस माहौल में मैं पेश आ रहा हूँ, द वे आई एम शोइंग अप इन द सिचुएशन,
Yeah, yeah,
मुझे वो चेंज करना है.
right,
और वो टाइम पे अगर आपका पार्टनर
right,
या आपका स्पाउस
right.
को भी लगता है कि आप गलत हो,
Yes.
what is the dynamics that come into play?
Oh,
Anything
it's
that you would like to
very
share with
interesting.
people?
Very interesting, because we all are growing individually. Okay, this is an individual growth, and not necessarily your trajectory is going to be similar to your husband's. So what I think is when you start getting conscious and you start bringing the consciousness in the way, in your actions and your behavior, in the way you think, in the way you feel, it might not, your husband might not vibe with it or wouldn't really understand. Okay, give him time. It's okay. You're doing for yourself. You're doing for your connection. What happens is, when your husband, eventually understands that this is working, that's when the shift happens. So, sabki trajectory alag hai. You can't pull your husband into it. Yeah, you can't pull your husband into
एक
it. You
personal
can't-
journey.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's like what I spoke previously was children are seeing. Children are in the moldable phase, जहाँ पे अगर आपने ओनरशिप और ब्लेम के बारे में ओपनली बात की और बताया कि बच्चा द पावर लाइज विथ यू. Isn't it fantastic at the age of 13, 14 जो हमने 40 होने के बाद सीखी वो अभी सीख रहे हैं? Conscious parent is a gift to the child.
But I want to understand, क्या एक बच्चे को अपनी मम्मी और पापा से अलग अलग एक्सपेक्टेशंस है? You feel ऐसा है?
बच्चे को
Maybe I'll give you some context.
yeah.
मेरा my daughter मुझसे सीखना नहीं चाहती.
Okay.
गांव के बाकी सारे बच्चे मुझसे सीखना चाहते हैं.
All right.
मेरा बच्चा नहीं सीखेगा मुझसे,
Okay.
क्योंकि लिए गांव के सारे बच्चों के लिए मैं एक टीचर हूं, लेकिन मेरे बच्चे के लिए मैं एक फादर हूं।
Yeah.
मेरा काम, मेरे बच्चे ने मेरे लिए एक जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया है।
Yeah.
आप गिफ्ट लाओगे, आप मेरे साथ खेलोगे, आप पढ़ाई का बात नहीं करोगे, यू नो। सो मैं कंफ्यूज्ड हूं
Yeah.
कि
Yeah.
क्या मैं वो करूं जो मुझे करना चाहिए, यू नो। इट्स अ डिलेमा।
Mm-hmm.
क्या मैं वो करूं जिसको, यू नो, शी वांट्स मी टू बी दैट।
Okay.
सो हाउ वुड, what would you say to
So what I'm
somebody like
understanding
that?
is what I'm understanding of what you said is that she wants to be ek loving pita chahiye usse. She doesn't want somebody who's instructing every time and saying, telling about life and ye and wo, right? Is that's what I'm understanding. Oh, it's the same story over here. And it's always a story everywhere. I'm an educator and I go out and I speak to kids and I don't know how to speak to my kid.
Yeah.
Well, it exists. It's there. It's a reality. But eventually, because now my daughter is 18, they understand it. Trust me. So there are times when I can go overboard because we have a lot of knowledge, we have a lot of wisdom, we have a lot of experiential wisdom. We could go overboard and she'd be like, okay, this is going above my head. Let's just stop here. But she definitely understands that what she's saying makes sense because she's applied it. She's applying it in life. And they have the respect and they're proud for us. I'm telling you. They wouldn't really come up and say that. But if you could read eyes, yes, they're proud of us.
So
Maybe you
just-
can just strike a balance between how you go about talking with her. It shouldn't sound like instruction. It should just sound like, you know what, something happened. Preeti madam had come and we had this conversation. And it's like that, like a loving dad, you can have that.
I'll give you an example. Like, I'm always correcting,
Yes,
you know, and my wife tells me, don't correct so much. ऐसे मैं correct नहीं करूंगा तो कौन करेगा? ये
exactly.
मेरा काम है correct करने के लिए. She's
Yeah.
like, but हमेशा correct करोगे क्या?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
I'll tell you what kind of correction. जब भी वो खाना खाती है, she
Yeah.
may open her mouth and chew.
yeah,
And I say, no, close your mouth and chew,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
You don't want to hear your gustatory sounds.
yeah.
है ना? And वो टाइम पे मेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स अगर आएंगे, they'll be
Yeah.
like, बच्चा है छोड़ दो. कब तक
Yeah.
छोड़ू?
Yeah,
मतलब एक दिन बच्चा नहीं रहेगा
right,
और फिर पूछेगा इसका बाप कौन है?
right.
कुछ सिखाया नहीं क्या इनको? You see, that's a problem. और
Yeah,
मुझे कभी कभी, एटलीस्ट जब मैं ग्रो कर रहा था, मेरा मम्मी मुझे हमेशा करेक्ट करती थी.
right. Yeah,
एंड मुझे वो टाइम पे शायद अच्छा नहीं लगता था, लेकिन आज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट करेक्शन
okay,
मेरे में बहुत सारा वैल्यूज आया है जो नहीं आता था.
okay.
एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट करेक्शन अब जब मैं काम करता हूँ या लोगों के साथ काम करता हूँ, मेरे में एम्पैथी बढ़ा हुआ है.
Right.
मुझे कोई फीडबैक अगर मुझे कोई देता है तो मैं वो
Right.
फीडबैक पॉजिटिवली लेता हूँ,
Yeah.
क्योंकि मुझे आदत हो गया है करेक्शन लेने का.
Mm-hmm.
तो हमारे कल्चर में,
Mm-hmm.
या लेट्स से महाराष्ट्रियन कल्चर में, हमारा इन महाराष्ट्र द कल्चर दैट वी हैव, करेक्शन के बारे में क्या करते हैं लोग? लाइक व्हाट डू पीपल, हाउ डू पेरेंट्स हैंडल करेक्शन?
So,
क्योंकि लिए लोगों को करेक्शन करने को भी डर लगता है ना. मैं अगर मेरे बच्चे को कुछ बोल दिया तो वो कल रोएगी तो उसको लगेगा मैं एक अच्छा पेरेंट नहीं हूँ. मेरा डैडी हमेशा करेक्ट करता है मुझे, लोगों को हमेशा प्यार जताना है.
uh-huh.
सो what do you think in that situation? ये तो घर की बात होगी.
Yeah, there are too many aspects to what you said actually right now, and we'll come one by one to it. The first thing you said, and I started the session with that कि सूचनाएं देना, instruct करना, correct करना. We started with that, and I think we do it as a community. Corrections तो वैसे भी होते रहते हैं, we do it. It's just that we go overboard. Okay. Now, as you said, the second aspect of this that I was
मतलब ज्यादा करते हैं.
zyada karte. I'll tell you.
अच्छा.
You come from a background where you were corrected, and that's how we take the parenting roles, right? We the way we were parented, we just carry on unconsciously, and we feel that it is right because I grew up fine. Everything is well. Not necessarily your kid is going to look at that aspect the way you looked at it, you know. So when you talk about research, too many corrections are not good. It's like every time कैसे खा रहे हो, कैसे बैठे हो, मुंह खो, you don't realize if you keep counting दिन भर में ब्रश करने से लेके पजामे से लेके रात तक कितनी बार हम करेंगे, because this is very unconsciously we feel we are parents तो हमको करना है, right? But after a point it becomes noise. They're not even listening. They're not even listening. And then there is a disconnect. कि यार मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ कि अब मुझे सिर्फ corrections ही कर रहे हैं. So father is the only person who's correcting me. So, you know, I don't know, I'm just not perfect for my father. That's the kind of a message the daughter is taking.
और वो हो सकता है.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. You have to be very mindful. You have to be mindful about your interactions. Positive interactions kitne ho rahe, negative interactions kitne ho rahe. You really have to be mindful. That's where conscious, right? Consciousness is moment to moment conscious. You're being aware of how you're talking. I spoke about nonverbal communication, which is so important because we are very good at communicating nonverbally. We can frown, our eyes can roll, we can become tight, and the kid is already getting the information, you know, कि ये नहीं करना है, बोलना ही नहीं पड़ता है. So we are good at it.
तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में एक घर में या कोई लोग जॉइंट फैमिलीज में रहते हैं, कोई लोग न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज में रहते हैं, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में पेरेंटिंग जो होता है वो एक्चुअली किसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मदर का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि फादर का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? क्योंकि ग्रैंड पेरेंट का स्टाइल अलग होगा, मदर का स्टाइल अलग होगा, फादर का स्टाइल अलग होगा, तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसका है?
फंडामेंटल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पेरेंट्स का ही है. डेफिनेटली द वर्क इज डिवाइडेड. जब आप जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हो, आपके इंटरेक्शंस ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर सबके साथ होते हैं. Not everybody is aligning with your conscious type of parenting, so the kid is going to have different experiences, and that's okay. That's fine. But fundamentally, parenting lies with the parent. Like today, I said the parent has to stand up for the child because the child is looking at you. My parent is not standing up for me, you know, that way. So fundamentally, I think it lies with the parents. And baki jo interactions ho rahi, yes, there are a lot of learnings with everybody.
And what, जब ये एक बच्चा ग्रो कर रहा है, is there a difference between the way you parent a boy child and a girl child? क्या उसमें कुछ फर्क है? Like there are certain things that we have to say or not say, or there are certain styles that work. क्या ऐसा कुछ है?
I don't think it really exists now, and it shouldn't really. हम 21वीं सदी में रह रहे हैं, and I don't think that should be the thing. Because, अब नहीं करेंगे तो कब करेंगे, you know, you're going to just continue the gender disparity otherwise. It begins at home. Begins at home. So yeah, खाना बनाना is a basic life skill, right? पेट भरना है तो वो लड़की करे या लड़का करे. Why should it be different? Again, when I talk about emotions, especially with my children, my school children, or wherever I go, and you know, it's hard for them to understand because emotions are never been taught. घर पे बात नहीं होती है, and there is a lot of pent up anger, aggression, and they come to me and they're like, "क्या करना है?" And then I just say, you know, just let your emotions loose. Just let them be, especially when we are taking a session. No filter when I'm there, and you can see the body relaxed, and they can just go and they're just like, हाँ ये हुआ मेरे साथ, वो हुआ मेरे साथ. So you know, it's not like a boy thing or a girl thing. सबको emotions है, बस एक कंस्ट्रक्ट बना रखा है, सोसाइटल कंस्ट्रक्ट बना रखा है. ब्रेक करने की जरूरत है अभी, क्योंकि इंसान को इंसान की तरह देखो, बस हो गया.
And one interesting reason why I asked you that question is because क्या आपको लगता है कि एक there is psychologically there is something different in a boy and a girl? Do they want different things? Do they have different preferences?
Well, that's okay if they have different preferences. We honor their preferences. Basic things are just the same as I told you. Yeah, the boys could be more physical, but the girls are also getting into sports and a lot of things. A lot of things are changing. I think what happens is when you openly talk about having a gender parity, and you can show that, oh yeah, this is normal, and we're talking about other genders as well. I mean,
Yeah.
हम अटके रहे हैं गर्ल एंड बॉय पे, बट सब
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग इज आउट इन द ओपन. तो मुझे नहीं लगता, हाँ थोड़े बहुत प्रेफरेंसेस रहेंगे हमारे, बट अदरवाइज इफ यू से इमोशनली
They're mostly the same.
वी आर जस्ट द सेम. कंस्ट्रक्ट बना रखा है हमने. या
Social constructs है.
वो कंस्ट्रक्ट बनाए रखा है कि भाई ऐसे नहीं. या व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड एंड आई केम ओवर हियर, दे यूज्ड टू से किचन में जाओ, लाइक किसी के घर में जाओ तो किचन में जाओ. आई यूज्ड टू वंडर, आई वांट टू गो टू द किचन, आई वांट टू सिट इन द हॉल एंड डिस्कस एवरीथिंग विद एवरीबॉडी. आई हैव द नॉलेज, व्हाई शुड आई गो टू द किचन? That needs to change, right? That was
The social constructs.
20 years back. Yeah.
And what about like अगर आपके घर में एक टीनेजर है और एक छोटा बच्चा है,
Yeah.
तब डायनामिक्स चेंज होता है. लाइक
Uh,
अगर आपके बच्चे, एक बच्चा आपका सम 4 years या 5 years है
Yeah.
और एक बच्चा आपका 12 है.
yeah. Yeah.
So then do you see any do you see any difference in style, एक parenting style?
Definitely you have to
Because शायद
understand.
जो छोटा बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आएगा जिस तरीके से आप बड़े बच्चे की तरफ interact कर रहे हैं.
Right. So, fundamentally understand what's happening with a 4-year-old. How is the brain developing? Get yourself the knowledge. Understand what is happening with a 12-year-old. आप जिस तरीके से बर्ताव करोगे 12 साल के बच्चे के साथ और 4 साल के बच्चे के बाद, it's going to be different. It's definitely going to be different. And that's okay. जैसे मैंने कहा कि जब 2 बच्चे होते हैं and you suddenly ask the older kid to grow up suddenly, it cannot happen. The 12-year-old is going through a different phase. The 4-year-old is in his own sweet world. So ये 2 अलग दुनिया है जब इतना बड़ा गैप है, and well, the parents have to bridge it. Yeah, gain a lot of knowledge. There's a lot on it.
But the brain is very different, right?
Brain is absolutely different. Absolutely different. A 4-year-old is in his own sweet world. A 12-year-old is, oh, everybody's looking at me. I'm confused. I don't know whether I should wear this or wear that. So उनकी दुनिया ही अलग है. वो समझना जरूरी है कि 12 साल के बच्चे का ब्रेन कैसे चल रहा है.
And अगर घर पे some parents have said कि घर पे बच्चा आके बोलता है मुझे पढ़ने का मन नहीं है. मुझे स्कूल में पढ़ने को बहुत अच्छा लगता है लेकिन घर पे पढ़ने का मन नहीं. So in a case like that, how will a parent handle that? You feel, is there something going on which is maybe not so apparent to the eye?
Absolutely. As we saw the iceberg theory, there's always something going on. Because घर पे नहीं करने के पीछे बहुत reasons होते हैं. So if we sit, we can dissect it and understand. So parent has to understand कि क्या हुआ, क्यों नहीं करना है, is it happening repeatedly, एक specific time में हो रहा है, एक specific Wednesday कोई हो रहा है, maybe after PT, after he's tired. You have to dive deeper to understand. So when you really get into conscious parenting, let me tell you, it's not easy. Because it's a lot of work, you've taken the ownership, but the results are beautiful.
What kind of changes do you see? Like, suppose मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि what are the goals of conscious parenting? हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं exactly बच्चों के साथ? And culturally, what do parents want from children here?
So,
I'll give you an example.
Yeah, tell me.
US में parents want their children to be independent.
Yeah.
वो बोलते हैं वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन में बच्चों को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है.
Yeah.
18 साल के बाद अगर घर पे रहेगा तो the problem है.
Yeah.
Right? Indian families don't want their children to be independent.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are two cultural differences.
So,
आपके हिसाब से is it true? ऐसा है या नहीं है?
What I feel is, yes, Indian parents do want the kids to be independent. But there is a lot of enmeshment. I think I'll put it as enmeshment. कि जैसे मैंने कहा during my session, when we look at a problem as a team, the problem बाजू में रह जाता है. So enmeshment में क्या होता है कि you take everything personally. Like बच्चे ने आवाज किया, बच्चे को किसी ने कुछ बोला, तो then you feel, oh my God, you're not a good parent. you're enmeshed. Okay. Bacha's not doing well, grades are not good. Oh my God, I'm not a good parent. So that's the kind of a thing that is coming to you. Now, what's really important here is very, very, very beautifully told by Khalil Gibran in one of his poems about children. You must read it. I just know one line because it stayed with me. Children come through you, not from you. So if you could create a little distance and you could honor the kid right in front of you for who she or he is, that's the best thing you can do. तो enmeshment हमारे यहाँ पे ज्यादा है और enmeshment कभी-कभी शादी के बाद भी रहती है हमारे यहाँ पे. तो थोड़ा वो क्योंकि enmeshment होती है तो हम हमारा baggage of expectations उन पे लाद देते हैं. And that happens because we're enmeshed. There is no distance. It goes naturally, कि भाई बच्चे को साइंस नहीं अच्छा लगता है, बच्चे को मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं लगता है और उसे डॉक्टर नहीं बना, आपका बच्चा डॉक्टर नहीं है. So, then you start feeling, oh my God, oh yeah, my daughter has to become a doctor. No, all of us are doctors in the family, but I have maintained the distance. I'm honoring her for who she is. So she'll take up what she wants.
Enmeshment is a very complex thing, right? Because normally लोग बताते हैं कि जहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट है वहाँ पे थेरेपी वगैरह होना बहुत मुश्किल है बिकॉज देयर इज मल्टीपल रिलेशनशिप्स दैट आर कमिंग देयर. लेकिन एक पेरेंट ऑलरेडी अपने बच्चों के साथ देयर इज ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टमेंट देयर. तो इन दैट सिचुएशन मेरे हिसाब से तो और कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है. सो हमें लगता है कि पेरेंटिंग बहुत सिंपल है बट
oh my God, yeah, that's then you go spiritually, they say detachment, aliptata in Marathi. That's
tell us more about that.
Yeah, it's not detachment, it's like creating a distance.
इसके बारे में आपको और बोलना पड़ेगा. The reason is because जो वो वर्ड डिटैचमेंट है पेरेंटिंग के साथ जब भी हम जोड़ते हैं तो चांसेस ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग इज.
Yeah, exactly.
इसके बारे में कुछ expand a little more.
म्हणून मी सांगितलं अलिप्तता, detachment has not to be taken by the way it is, not
love नहीं है. It's not about
it
love.
It is creating a distance, and I think that distance is necessary for any relationship. Okay. So
like my mother says, detached involvement. That's the exact word she uses.
Lovely. Yeah, you can put it as that. Detached involvement, where you have a little distance and you are not letting your thoughts get into the way कि मुझे ऐसे करना है, बल्कि मुझे देखना है कि बच्चा क्या कर सकता है. ओके, बच्चे को ये करना है, कि बच्चे को ये पसंद है, बच्चे को ये पसंद नहीं है. Okay, then I am not going to use my manipulating ways and I'm not going to condition his mind, because this happens when you're enmeshed. This just flows. This happens when you're enmeshed. So if you have a distance, you just let the person be. यहाँ पे बच्चा या आपका spouse या कोई भी हो.
And in today's times, are you noticing anything with the internet and social media?
Yeah.
क्या आपको कुछ दिख रहा है कि बच्चों में शायद डेवलपमेंट कुछ जल्दी ही आ रहा है या कोई दूसरे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं जो पहला नहीं था?
Right.
ऐसा कुछ has anything come to your mind or your experience?
Oh, we can just go on about social media and the internet. The thing is, just to put it in short, well, it's a part of their life. Okay, and that's undeniable. But the way they perceive it is in your hands. Okay, aapka connection, you're the first primary attachment figure connection ke liye. Then the way the child perceives social media is going to change. Okay, the connection is very important, the one which I talked about. Then वो गलत रास्ते पे नहीं जाएगा, because if he's watching something, he'll come to the parent and say, what मैंने देखा, this is very disturbing. You have the bridge functioning to come back to you. You haven't severed the bridge. Okay, जो होता है teenage में, that's the time when they find other attachment figures and there's peer pressure and there's peer company, and that's where you lose your attachment. So I think the main point that I would like to come to is, it's possible if you're connected with your kid and the kid is connected with you. All this is not going to be the way it is being portrayed. Oh my God, it's going to take away your kid. That is one part. Secondly, the way they're perceiving themselves, you know, the way they're comparing themselves. For example, हमारे ज़माने में क्या comparison होती थी? कजिन्स मिले, कजिन्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंपैरिजन हो गई। यहाँ पे तो अभी वो यूरोप में बैठा है, जर्मनी में बैठा है, उसके साथ कंपैरिजन हो रही है कि उसके आईब्रोज ऐसे, उसने ये करवाया, वो करवाया। It's hard. It's hard the way they're talking to themselves and their brains are not developed, right? So I think we move with empathy and acceptance. Yeah, this is hard and I'm there for you. And let's talk about it.
Is absolutely brilliant. What I'm getting from this conversation is that connection over correction.
Absolutely.
Right? We need to connect.
Yeah.
Connect करना है. हमारी our own model of parenting. At the same time, what is the kind of parent I want to be?
Yeah.
Agar my children are making me become something I don't want to be or I'm not happy being, then I should detest that and I should be able to say that I want to change, right? And if that is something that I have to do, I have to do that. I think that is a great form of personal leadership where you're taking responsibility, you're moving from, blame to claim, and you're building relationship before you set rules.
Yes.
Because they say rules without relationship builds resentment, So the idea is to try and be that. So absolutely brilliant having this conversation with you today.
Lovely to have
I
this
think
conversation.
more schools need to make parenting discussions as mainstream. And just because हम लोग biologically father or mother बनने का capability है हमें, that doesn't probably mean that you become a good daddy or mummy.
Yes.
I think the relationship that children have with their parents may take them very far.
Yeah.
And it becomes a very strong anchor in their life.
Absolutely.
Any closing messages? Any closing notes?
Oh, I love the way you said we need to be the anchor. We need to be their anchor, and we need to be their compass. That's all I'll say.
Absolutely brilliant talking to you today. Thank you so much, Dr. Preeti
Thank you
Vartak.
so much. Thank
Until next time.
Absolutely.